Lou, it's Don again. Wanted to give you another free tip here for your website. I know you're running Google Ads, so that's how I found you. And I live local too, so let's see. I got your website up here, and quick tip. So like right away, let me see. You probably can't see it. I got it. Here we go. So it says like your title. It says home, pipe, MKE Towing and Recovery. So I would get rid of this home out of your title. I think I mentioned that in the first video, but I would put Milwaukee in there, and I'll show you why here. So when I put your website into this tool that I have, I show, like I pull up the organic keywords that you're ranking for, and you only got one here, so tow, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So when people type these words into Google, then you're showing up as the 95th position. There's about 90 people per month in Milwaukee looking for a tow truck, and you're buried. So let's see. Let me just play around in this screen here. So it's about $3.50 just to get an advertisement for this keyword, and that might be around what you're paying for per people clicking on that ad at the top of a Google search. So, but here's here's another one, tow truck Milwaukee, Wisconsin. There's 90 people typing that. Tow company Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 80. So there's probably, altogether there's hundreds of people in Milwaukee looking for tow trucks. But you have MKE, so that's good to have MKE, but I would have Milwaukee more so on your website. So when I do there's only one instance of you being in Milwaukee here on your website. Google, the web crawlers are very smart. They're crawling your website, and they know everything. So I would get some more content in here that you're in Milwaukee, you service Milwaukee, you have tow trucks in Milwaukee. Obviously, right now, Google is confused about who you are, what you do, and where. So, like I mentioned before, you're on the 95th page. So those are just some ideas to get some more content on your website about you being in Milwaukee, especially the title of your page right here should be Milwaukee. So I hope that tip helps and helps you rank a little bit more and get you more keywords to rank for. If you got any questions, hit me back up. I'm going to send this video over to you now. Have a good day.